So in the 8th question of this first exercise, we have been given a puzzle where we see that two two-digit numbers are added to get one more two-digit number. And in this puzzle, we'll have a couple of letters A and B. So basically, we'll have to find the values of these letters, and we'll also have to give reasons for the steps involved. Now, let us study the sum in the ones column. So based on our observation, we see that when 1 is added to B, the result is a number whose ones digit is 0. Now this is only possible if the value of B is 9. So if the value of B is 9, the sum would result in, that is 1 plus 9 equals 10, where we see that this digit has been taken here, and this digit would be the carry for the tens column. Now if we study the sum of the digits in the tens column, so we have 1 plus A plus 1 equals B, but we already have got a value of B, so we'll replace it with that. So 1 plus A plus 1 equals 9. If we add the numbers on the left hand side, we get A plus 2 equals 9. Eventually the value of A, what we get here, would be 7. Now if we see the sum again, so we see here in this particular sum, the blue digits represents the values of A and B, what we have got based on our observation. So the value of A is 7, the value of B is 9. So this is how we are going to get the two values of the two letters present in this puzzle. And this is how we are going to answer the 8th question of this exercise.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.